It is July 19th, 2020. Just reading through a book of sketches and drawings and prints and whatever, going back 50 years. A drawing in hospice, December 94. I've got 3 studies of my father and my mom sitting there. Dad would have been very, very pleased to know that Mom survived, lived to age 100. She was 75 when Dad passed in early February 1995. He would have been thrilled. He was wearing some sort of floppy hat he had. Big old eyeglasses. My mom has this kind of worried look, at least as I perceive my pencil sketch of her. Well, worried with good reason. He was on the way out. All right, there you have it.